How many different ways can I fold my Cybex Gazelle? I'm Emilio from Bambi Baby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. If you'd like to see any of these products, click any of the links down below. My favorite way to fold it with 2 seats on it is the toddler seat up on top facing the parent, the other seat facing forward. Pretty simple, just pull a lever, collapse it onto the handlebar, fold your bottom canopy back, and just fold it down and it locks in place. Unlock it from the side and it opens all the way back up. I can remove the toddler seat from the top, put my car seat adapters and fold it with my car seat adapters in place. It folds best always with the bottom seat facing forward. The stroller seats collapse really compact and they stack really well, so it's easy to put in the back of a vehicle. And my stroller frame, because of its U-shaped design, can also configure and could be ultimately very compact. If you have any other questions or comments about the Gazelle S2, please leave it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Comment which is your favorite down below. If you have any questions, feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.